Jump in bed and cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hello, my dear crafters. One more project for you during my 2024 craft fair and also Christmas gift series. Today we're doing lip balm. I have, for this series, I believe I'll have 4 or 5 options of lip balm holders because they, first of all, they do sell very well during Christmas and craft fairs, but also this is something that you can do all year long. They're great party favors and it's just a project that is really, really versatile. So this is one more of those. Here is what it looks like. It's like a cracker, Christmas cracker. And beautiful, beautiful. This uses a cutting die. There it is again. So really fast to make. Another one of those, and it comes, I'll show you the die later, next. And it gives you the option of having this opening so people see what it is. I usually, for craft fairs, I'll have at least one with the opening. I would rather have it all closed. That's what how I'm going to have most of mine. But this one I'll have open because that's like the example. You know, I'll probably have a tag here saying lip balm holder because otherwise they'll look at this and say, what is it? What's inside? So there you are. This is what we're going to make today. Great to use your leftover pieces of paper because it doesn't take much. 6 by 6 inches by 4 1/4 would do. Let me show you the die. Very, very easy. It's just one pass and you have your cracker. And also it comes with all these. These are options of how to do these openings here. So you have a few options for that. Or if you want just a detail like hearts and stars or in 2 tags. So a great die to have on your stash, an inexpensive one. I'll have the link below. So yeah, so let me show you how to use it. First of all, let me just tell you something. The die, if you cut the whole thing, it is bigger than this. It actually, instead of having 4, it will have 5 sides. So what I do to adapt it to lip balm is I only cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, and this one I do not cut because this and these, they will just overlap and glue on one another, on each other. So I have my cutting machine here. I just wanted to show you how to do this. So the paper is here. And I'm just going to leave this one off because we do not need it. It's too much. So we're going to pass and then I'll show you how well it cuts and how fast this is to put together. So I'm gonna just run it through my machine. And there you go. Look how great this is. So I'm gonna move this away. And there you are. I'm just gonna, this will come off later, but I'm not doing that now. And there you are. We have, see that I have a little piece here, and I'll just use scissors to cut it off because as I told you, I don't need all of them. I didn't cut all of them because it's too big for the lip balm. So there you go. I'm just gonna take what's left of that. And there you are. So we have here, I'm sure you can see that, yeah. We have a scoring line here, a scoring line here. Same thing on these sides, and 5 scoring lines here. So we're going to burnish the scoring lines. 2. Very easy to put together. You know, I like easy. And this is what you're gonna do. You're just gonna glue this one, and there you are. And then press it in. But before we do that, so we have on this scoring line here, let me just zoom in for you so you can see this better, okay? So we have a scoring line on the top. You're going to just kind of press it like this, burnish a little bit. And the same thing with the top on the other side. Just burnish a little bit, and this one is going in. So we have another scoring line here. We're just going to easily, with your fingers like that, just press it in. Same thing on the other side. So the great thing about this die is that it cuts and it scores on just one go. So there you go. We have that done, and now I just noticed I do not have my glue here. I'm gonna go get it and we'll finish the cracker, okay? So here we have, and you're just going to glue everywhere here. This is going to reinforce one of the sides, but that's, yeah, so just press it with your fingers like that. Just hold it and close it like that. How easy is that? Just close it in. I use my bone folder just to press it down a little bit. And we're practically done. So we have our cracker ready, and all we need to do now is to just press this in like this. And of course we're going to use a ribbon for that, and then we'll decorate it, okay? So this is the 1/4 of an inch kind of ribbon. So you just, I decided to just tie a knot because it's so easy and it looks pretty nice. So you just close it in like this. Look, you tie it really, just press it really tight on one knot, and then the second one will hold it in place, okay? There. I'm just gonna press it again, and I'm gonna cut it at an angle here and here. So there we have one side, and now we're going to, let me get the lip balm. I forgot everything today, guys. So there's the lip balm that I bought. I'll have the link below. It's 25 cents each, and it's very good quality. It's 100% natural. I bought it on Amazon. So you buy a box with 36. So very, very good. Very good price. So again, it's in. We're going to tie the knot on the same side. Make sure that the glue part is on the back. And there you are. This is the first one I did. Maybe I'll show you that. I used, instead of a ribbon, I used twine, and I did not just a knot, but also I did, here, let me show you. See, I used twine, and I have a little bow here. But then after that, after I used the twine, I said, you know, it's good enough. Looks good, so let's just decorate it. Always have to add something else, especially this paper that is not very, doesn't have a lot going on. So I have this ephemera here that says holidays. So we're gonna put it like that. And leave a little space for tiny star that I have here. I have so much left over from previous years, and like card kits and stuff like that, that I'm just trying to use up everything. So there you go. So we have our lip balm holder, very quick to make. It's one pass, and also you can decorate with these two little tags here if you want. I have a lot of ephemera, so I'm not using that. But that's our project, very simple to make. You know me, I like simple. And there you go. This is what we've made. I hope you have time to mass produce, because that's an easy one to mass produce. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. Quick project, but beautiful. Use your beautiful papers, and do subscribe to my channel because it does help it grow. Thank you so much. You have a great day.